Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech PRO X2 Superstrike. In this video I'll show you how to change user profile. To change user profile, let's go to Logitech G HUB and go to Desktop Default, Manage Profiles, and now find Active or Disabled Profiles. Then enable profile switching and add apps and games. Select all, browse, and here you can find your all user profiles. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.